We're given a string, and if one or both of the first two characters is x, then we are to return the string without those x characters, and otherwise we are to return the string unchanged. And we'll go through this step by step. So we're going to start off with a string builder. So this initializes an empty string, which helps to store the result, and we can call it result is going to be equal to new string builder. And we're going to use a for loop to iterate through the first two characters of the string. So we have for, and it's going to start at I is equal to 0 until I is less than math.min, and then 2, comma, str.length. And it's going to iterate by 1 every time, so I++. So what math.min to, str.length represents is that it's going to find the minimum number between 2 and the length of the string. And we're going to check if the character is not the letter x. So we have if str.charat. If str.charat is not equal to the letter x, then we're going to append the non-x character to the result. So we have result.append, and then str.charat, the letter I. And then next, we are to append the rest of the string, starting from the third character. So we have if str.length. If it's greater than 2, in that case, then we have result.append str.substring 2. So it's going to start appending from the index 2. And the first character starts with the index of 0. So the index 2 is the third character. And then we are to convert the string builder to string form and return the result. So we're going to have return result to string, and that will be the solution.